Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c times square root of c is equals to 8 and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here our first target is to remove this square root sign, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, this will be written as c times is equals to 8 square. And further we apply this square separately on both of these two values and we get c square into square root of c and its whole square is equals to, this is 8 square and 8 square is equals to 64. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here and we get c square into this 2 and this square root are gone and we get here c only, and this is equals to 64. And further we need more simplifications here and this will becomes c square multiplied by c becomes c cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 64. And now in the next step we move 64 to the left hand side and this will be written as c cubed minus 64, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we rewrite this equation as c cubed minus, we write 64 as 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula or nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this rule, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as this is cx minus y, the value of x is c minus the value of y is 4 into this is x square over x is c square plus this is xy over x is c into y is 4 plus 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and now we rewrite this equation as c minus 4 times of c square plus 4c plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write c square plus 4c plus 16 equals to 0. From here we get the value of c is equals to plus 4. This is the first real root of the given equation. And now this is the quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, capital A is equals to 1, capital B is equals to 4, and capital C is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as C is equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. This is the our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c, and we get our remaining roots. So we have this is minus b, the value of b is 4 plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square becomes 16 minus this is 4 times of 16 and it is divided by 2. So now in the next step we have c is equals to minus 4 plus minus. Here inside the square root sign we have 16 be the common term. After taking common 16 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4. And now in the next step we have this is minus 4 plus minus. Here we just apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will become square root of 16 into square root of 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes 3 and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction we get minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus. Here you know that square root of 16 becomes 4 times of square root of 3, and you know that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign it will becomes iota, and this is divided by 2. And now further we have c is equals to this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get minus 2 plus minus this is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, in which the first root is c1 equals to 4, that is the real root. The second root is complex root, and that is minus 2 plus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota, and the third root is also complex root, and this is minus 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.